Well, there is no relief for many people in the southeast right now as relentless rain has pounded the area for the last 3 days, and more rain is expected. Now we're talking about the area in Louisiana. The National Guard there is being called out in the streets and in the air. They've been conducting water rescues, and some people are now prepping sandbags for temporary barricades in the event that water heads their way.
The water just comes so quick. People don't understand that. I've learned a lesson.
And we are told that more rain is on the way. Officials recommend that people get their valuables together and prepare to get to higher ground.